Hey loves, let's create this magical chrome and cat eye nail together. Don't forget to like if you love sparkly nails. Start with a white base. Now apply silver ice gel on the top half and red on the tip. Gently blend the center with a brush, but don't cure yet. Add a few soft brown lines to create depth. Now, use a magnet to bring out that cat eye shimmer. Still no curing, we want the colors to mix later. With a liner brush, pull fine lines upward. Since it's still wet, the colors will beautifully melt into each other. Now cure it. Add a layer of top coat to seal the design. Now go over the same lines with a rubber top to make them pop and give a 3D look. Once it's cute but still tacky, rub chrome powder over the raised lines. It gives them a magical metallic shine. To finish the look, add 3 rhinestones in the corner for that extra glam. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cute nail ideas.